so excited to share with you the T3 Aire IQ hair dryer system. This is a great product by T3. It is new and it is launching now, and I can't wait for you to see it with me today. This is my first look at it. This is a beautiful looking thing. Let me just say, I love T3 products and I cannot wait to look at this with you. It is an intelligent hair dryer that matches the system to the hair and the tool that you put on it. You just make your selection and the machine does the rest. Look how beautiful this is. I've taken the cardboard out. This is the T3 Aire IQ. It is gorgeous in this blush pink, and it has this beautiful stand, a very high magnet system holding it here. And what's so neat is the stand holds the tools. This is prettier and more special than I imagined it to be. It's really high quality. This heavy duty stand is beautiful, rounded, and it works excellently with this tool. It comes with the hair dryer itself, the super intelligent hair dryer. It comes with the concentrated hair dryer. Look at the beautiful blush coloring. It's thick and ceramic coated, and this attachment system also works with the stand to keep it there intact with one push. This is the styler. The unboxing is beautiful. The stand is this beautiful kind of dusty rosy purple. The hair dryer itself is a beautiful blush rose. It attaches like that, and look, there's an additional feature to this hair dryer. It's so beautifully packaged and uses all the space. Inside, don't forget to look inside, because this is where the star attachment is. I love this beautiful blush diffuser. It also has the same type of stand where it can be used here as well. It can be used there as you customize your favorite tools. You can use it there while you're using it, or pick which ones that you use the most. I can't wait to use this diffuser. It is known to give you a very soft salon-worthy blowout. It will automatically adjust the heat settings depending on the tool that you select. You can twist this as you go, and the breakthrough technology helps retain the natural moisture in your hair to give you a shiny, soft, frizz-free style that looks like you just came from the salon, but at home with very little effort. Makes it effortless to use on an everyday basis. The way that it selects the heat for the tool for your hair will keep you from using too much heat, which actually will help take care of your hair and make your hair as healthy as possible. So first, you can see here when you turn the button on, it lets you pick your language. I'm gonna pick English. It does come with these nice coated attachments for protection. It uses this wheel type dial. The middle is an OK button, and you can pick fine, medium, or coarse, or skip for your hair. I'm gonna pick fine. Connect an attachment. The attachments do come with this little protective tape on there, so we want to take that off. It immediately attaches on the tool. Okay, creating your hair ID. Now it tells you that that is a quick dry. Adjust to what I've pre-selected to my fine hair. I hope you've enjoyed the unboxing of this great tool. It's simply an amazing tool. I know you're gonna love it. I can't wait to use it. The unboxing was to give you an overview of how terrific it is, so you'll wanna get your hands on it. This amazing tool was provided for me by T3 in exchange for my review. I highly recommend this so you can be on your journey to healthier hair with a predetermined, adjustable, intelligent machine that helps protect your hair and style it and have it at its best.